When a designer starts using Midjourney, the quality usually drops, and sometimes quite significantly. Midjourney is like the new stock photography, and stock photos have proven to be a trap that prevented thousands of professionals from truly flourishing in their careers. If you're unaware of these pitfalls, it's easy to fall into this trap right now. Stock-ness is precisely the problem, not just a characteristic. Until you gain enough experience, the generated images will literally scream their origin and how you obtain them. How do they do it? How do people's eyes just know when an image is artificial? Believe me, they always know. They can't unsee it. It all comes down to graphic details, and there are three types of them here. Empty details. Midjourney is trained to make things look beautiful, and for humans, beauty often means highly detailed. But for Midjourney, there's no difference whether these details have any meaning or not, and this affects both logic and aesthetics. This engine might even look nice if you don't consider that it's structured completely illogically and couldn't possibly work. Yes, we designers might not care, but if you're making a website that needs an engine image, I suspect it will be seen by someone who knows about engines. Or take this superhero dog, for instance. The elements on its chest piece visually appear to be part of a costume, but they are actually seams blending into the animal's fur. Midjourney cannot distinguish where the costume ends and the fur begins. The superhero dog with the beautifully blurred background also illustrates the lack of live details. Not just pretty bokeh and backlit particles in the air, but a slightly tilted horizon, some photo noise, people in the background. These examples just reek of perfection, and perfection is not what we're striving for. Sure, the first impression might be really good from such images, but creating any kind of mood or evoking a genuine emotion is simply impossible. And third, there are stylistic details. Midjourney has a stylized parameter, defaulting to 100 but adjustable from 0 to 1000. And this is how much Midjourney embellishes the image according to its idea of beauty. And you'll see true beauty. Windows are always steamed up, it's always raining, there's always colorful rim lighting, one face type for all women, one face type for all men. By the way, very white. And we humans quickly learn to spot these repeating details everywhere. AI generation is already being used a lot, very a lot. And we can even pick out generated images without analyzing why, with a clear thought of, oh, that's AI. Although stock photography did so much damage back in the day, and I'm sure negatively impacted many careers, it eventually became a useful tool that found its place. The same goes for Midjourney. It's a useful tool, and there are at least 5 ways to overcome the problem with details, because surprisingly, everything is surmountable. And refusing to use Midjourney means denying yourself a tool that can potentially speed up and improve the quality of your work. This is what we'll discuss in this short but very important video, so be sure to watch it.